Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park flying field. We're going to take up the Hobbyking Cessna Ttx and let's get her turned around here. This is just a great little plane. You can pick her up at Hobbyking for $69 for the plug-and play, and that's an incredible price for a plane period. But it comes with flaps and lights and everything you need. All you do is put her together, put your receiver in her, and you're ready to go. And she jumped right up in the air, didn't she? I'm running a Lemon RX stabilized receiver in her, just so you know. And yeah, I'm going to have to land her because basically the mix that I've got going for the flaps is just too much. She wants to dip too hard. So give us just a second, folks. Let me go in there. We'll sign off for just a second.